Hello everyone, welcome back to the kitchen table. Today on the kitchen table, I'm not on the kitchen table. I'm out here, packing up the car, getting ready to take all our kit to the Share the Air event at the CAA rally at Sywell Aerodrome this weekend on Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Weather forecast is looking superb, so there should be an absolute ton of stuff to see. So it'd be fantastic to come along. Put a link in the description below for those of you who would like to come along. I believe the tickets are £12. Under 16s free parking. That's for all 3 days. You can come and go. Loads to see and do. If you're a fan of just flying generally, flight and aviation, then come along because it's going to be great stuff. Barry and I are obviously there supporting the Civil Aviation Authority's Share the Air concept that we rolled out at Compton Abbas Airfield. And Share the Air is all about, it does what it says on the tin. We all share the air as recreational users, and there can be a bit of an us and them attitude, especially when it comes to drones. I think the Johnny-come-latelys. And we're there to show that actually the vast majority of drone pilots are sensible, safe, legal, and are interested in preserving as much of the airspace for hobbyists as possible. Whether you fly light aircraft, balloons, gliders, whatever, we're all going to be squeezed out by commercial pressures. And so if we can come together and show that we're just as much as pilots as everybody else, we can hopefully team up and protect some of the constrictions that may be in place. Speaking of which, a quick reminder, if you haven't done the government's consultation, link down below, about drone restrictions and use and enforcement, please make sure you do it. The deadline's 17th of September, so it's about 2.5 weeks away. But if you haven't done it by now, please do so. We found out that there are going to be apparently some government ministers at this event, so we might try and interview them or try and get some commentary. If you've got any questions for them, put them down there, we'll ask them. But otherwise, if you can come along, it'd be great. We'll be doing some panel discussions, some interviews and all sorts of stuff. If you can't make it, don't worry, we're going to try doing some live streams as well while we're going to be set up, so that'll be quite cool. All in all, it should be a fabulous and fun weekend for anyone who is interested in all things aviation. So if you've got any questions that you'd like us to ask the CAA, who'll be there, stick them down there, we'll do that. Obviously Parrot are supporting the event and bringing all their latest kit and flying that around to have a look at. Plenty to see and do, so right, I've got to crack on and get more stuff packed in, but if we don't see you at the LAA rally in Sywell this weekend, we'll see you online, and until the next time, cheers!